When you get to a certain point, you have to, well, when you start off, you're doing everything on your own. I mean, if you're the sole proprietor of your business, you're doing everything from the marketing, the business, the taxes, then there's the home inspections themselves, right? You're doing everything. And it's a huge burden and it's a big risk. And then you realize that success comes from when you realize that you need to delegate down things. You need to hire somebody, get somebody on the team, subcontract out. You need to delegate. And learning how to delegate using low, medium, and high tags of everything that you do, every task that needs to be done, if you list everything that you do and you tag them low, medium, high, this is going to help you learn how to delegate and prioritize what is essential in your home inspection business.
When you get to the point of being an owner and operator of your own business, then you think totally different about your life. You are now going to use the word delegate. You delegate things that you don't want to do because you're the owner and operator of the business, right? So here's how you do it. Success comes from delegation, by the way. You can't do everything on your own. You write down everything you do during your day. For each task, ask yourself the following 3 questions. What skill level is needed to do that task? How much time does it take? And how important is it to the company? And you rank them low, medium, and high. If performing an inspection is a very high-skilled, demanding task, it is, then it's high, right? If stapling 2 pieces of paper, that's low, right? Low skill. Tasks with low to medium levels are good things to delegate to someone else, especially if they take a long time to do. So I wrote down some tasks that you may do during your week. Who performs home inspections? Like home inspections is a good one. What skill level? That's a high skill level. How much time? Medium, high, right? And how important is it's highly important. So you'll probably want to start off doing all the home inspections yourself. Later on, you'll learn that you can get just about anybody to do a great inspection for your company. And you don't actually have to do every inspection. You can hire that out. Who drives the jobs? Low skill, a lot of time, not very important, right? You might as well delegate that down. But if you want to grow in your business and learn about delegation and think of like an owner and operator instead of a really good inspector, think about all the things you do and see if you can delegate down to someone. If you can, you ought to think about hiring. And how do you hire? Well, your marketing should be ringing that phone off the hook. So you want to keep things that require your skill level for you to do. Management, training of other inspectors, growth, vision of the company, keeping the brand going, handling the money. Those are things that you want to control. And if something is of low importance, you should probably just remove it completely. No one should be doing anything that's not really important. And one of the worst business strategies to make is deciding that you're the only one who can do a great inspection for your company. Eventually, you realize you can have a huge team of inspectors working for you, doing great work for you, right?
Love that video about delegating. So success in your home inspection business may come down to being able to delegate. And what do you delegate down? Things that are not critical to the business. That's what you want to handle, at least initially. And then you figure out what is of low importance. Maybe those things aren't even done, but at least you shouldn't be doing them. You should be delegating them down so that you can do the critical things that are essential to operating a successful home inspection business. All right, learn about delegating. List everything you do right now and start to tag them, low, medium, and high.